another beautiful car from Phillips & Co. We've got a Peugeot 508, the 2019 model, in a GT Sportwagen, black in colour, 21,000 kilometres. It's got the reverse camera and sensors, little tow bar there, alloy wheels, tinted windows, roof racks, panoramic sunroof, the front sensors there as well, cornering headlamps. A very well thought about car, and just looks like it's in amazing condition. Let's take a look at the interior. So yeah, there's the GT steering wheel. Sorry about the sun. Get rid of that. So there's your kilometres there, 21,000. Got the big heads-up screen there as well with satellite navigation, heated seats, automatic transmission, 2 keys. Driver's seat in excellent condition. Got the seat memory and side airbags as well. There's your front passenger. Got the nice floor mats there, carpet floor mats. There's your back seat there, pretty much like it's never been sat in. Again, with more floor mats. I'll show you inside the boot. It does have an automatic tailgate. And look at that, got the fold there as well, and the tow bar. All inquiries are welcome. Give us a call at Phillips & Co. 9939 0227.